Hi guys, it's Motonion here again with another video. This is the one after the giveaway one. This video is, I've done the giveaway now, but I'm just going to ride around this field and piss about for now. So, hope you enjoy this video guys. I'm going to chatter out crap at the same time. Sometimes does that, this bike does. So, hopefully, if you lot have already noticed, I've worked with CW bikes already on like a giveaway, on like a little fuel line thing for this bike. I've worked with CW bikes for that, and that was cool. So hopefully I should be working with them again in the winter time. Hopefully I should be working with them again in the winter time with another like review sort of style thing, which will be cool. And I hope you guys enjoy that. Oh, it doesn't work. I've been trying to learn to wheelie. I can't do it like that. I cannot wheelie for my life. So yeah, hopefully I'll be working with CW bikes soon. Again, like in the winter. And they did all this and everything, this green crap. You'll see a video on that. That is in my review video section. Just go check out that. And if you lot are like, there's loads of people who are asking, oh, I'm 5'7", like me. What bike should I get? I'm 5'8", I think. Not sure. What bike should I get? And I'm like, doesn't really matter. The height doesn't really matter with this, but there's another 2 bikes there. Height doesn't really matter, but CC does, depending on age, sort of thing. So if you go to CW bikes or Lucky MX, they have loads of bikes you can choose from just to suit your needs and everything. So go over to them. I'll leave a link in the description below for them. There's a guy over there in his garden. He's fallen off a ladder. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description for them. They're an awesome company. Very awesome. Pretty good. Pretty good. I don't actually know what he's doing. I think he may be pointing. Yeah, so go check CW Bikes out and Lucky MX. Guys, nice. They have good customer service. You lot are guaranteed to get a good bike off them. I've seen loads about. They also do road legal pit bikes, and they're good as well. I wouldn't mind one of those, but I don't have the money for one because they're what, £1,500. The other pit bikes are really good price compared to others. You'd go to like Stomp or something, be very expensive, but theirs aren't. So I'm going to carry on riding. Stop chatting about crap and ride for you lot, just so you get a good video like this. Why does my bike keep doing that? It keeps kicking back. I'll try and start it and it'll kick back. Let's try another wheelie, shall we? See, I can't do wheelies for my life. That was a foot down wheelie, aka a fail. And my sister's upstairs watching me. Oh well. Let's do some speed runs. I always use gear 2 to turn around and everything. No. Foot down, turn around, gently garden snake style. I don't even know if I'm going to be riding this field, I'll just do it anyway. Because YOLO, guys. That was a massive slide. So if we get a slide going on, guys. That was a huge slide all the way down there. Gear 3, very, very, very bumpy on this field. I'm glad I have suspension. If I was riding like one of those little doodle bugs or something, I wouldn't have any suspension. If I had a rev limiter as well, that'd be amazing. What else can we do on here? Oh, let's do donuts. Try a donut. I can't do donuts. Oh, I know why. I was in gear 3, that's why. Still can't do them. I'm going to do a couple more runs and then I'm going to go back, because I don't really want to be pissing people off. It's a Saturday, and you know what people are like on Saturdays. Woo! They've got their doors open as well, so I don't really want to be pissing them off, to be honest. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Stick around for the next one and see you next time guys.